Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to find activities on Bigo Live. As you can see right now, I am on Bigo Live's homepage. And at the bottom, you can see about 5 icons. One is for the homepage, where I am right now. The one next to it is to explore, so to find new creators, maybe something that will pique your interest. The middle one is for you, yourself, to go live. The one next to it, community, that's for the community of Bigo Live. And the one in the bottom right corner is me. That is actually your profile. So for this, we're gonna need to click on me. So we have a couple of options here: messages, wallet, item bag, my post, task center, and activities. As I said, we're looking for the activities, so that's right under the task center. So we're gonna click on it. And this will take you to all of your activities. As you can see, I have no activities. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.